Hi Meissner's makers, and how are you today? Today we're going to be discussing how to do this in the hoop freestanding lace design from OESD. If you remember last week we talked about purchasing your designs online, transferring to your sewing machine. This week we'll be going over all of the supplies that will help you start off and do a wonderful job on your machine embroidery. These are the products that we're going to be using to complete our Christmas tree. First of all, we need to choose a hoop for the right size. Then we need to make sure that we're using the proper stabilizer. Next comes thread. And the thing with thread is you can never really tell how much you're going to use. And usually when you have a project, they have a stitch count. So for just a general information, the big cones here will do approximately 1 million stitches, and the smaller cone will do approximately 200,000 stitches. Next, we need to choose the right size needle for the project. I like to have a pair of nippers next to me so that I can trim the little stray threads. Sometimes I have boo-boos and I have to pick out with a pair of tweezers, so that's always sitting next to my sewing machine also. Because this is an applique product, and I'm going to use organza on this project, we have organza, and we will be cutting a square with a pair of scissors. And actually, because it is organza, you want them kind of nice because it's a little hard to cut with dull scissors. And then after we've done our tack down line, you need to trim away your excess fabric. And these are a great pair of applique scissors. These are actually my favorite brand. And another thing about needles that I would like to mention is about every 30,000 stitches you should change your needles. So I can't even tell you how many times I did change a needle on this, but I have wonderful stitch outs and I never had problems because I didn't let my needles get dull. In the next video of this series, we will be stitching out the design. I will show you how I load it up and get everything prepared, and I will also show you how to add more designs into a single hooping so that you can maximize the size of your hoop. And now that I've showed you everything that we're going to be using, we'll be ready to go on the next video. I hope you join me. Thank you. Bye-bye.